Technology has transformed the way we invest and build wealth. What was once reserved for financial experts is now accessible to anyone with a smartphone or computer. From cutting-edge apps and AI-driven platforms to powerful analytics tools, technology enables smarter, faster, and more informed financial decisions. In today's video, we'll explore how you can harness the power of technology to maximize your investments and take your wealth-building journey to the next level. 1. Automating your investments for consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to building wealth, and technology has made it easier than ever to stick to your investment plan. Key tools. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Vanguard Digital Advisor. Automate investing by managing your portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. These platforms use algorithms to rebalance your portfolio and optimize returns. Recurring investments. Apps like Acorns and Stash allow you to automate contributions, whether it's rounding up spare change or setting a fixed amount to invest regularly. Why it works. Automation removes emotions from investing, ensuring you stay on track even when markets fluctuate. Over time, this consistency leads to compounding returns. 2. Leveraging AI and data analytics for smarter decisions. Technology provides access to advanced analytics and AI-driven insights that were once available only to institutional investors. Key strategies. AI-powered platforms. Tools like Sigma, Tickeron, and Atom Finance analyze market trends and predict opportunities using artificial intelligence. Sentiment analysis. Platforms like StockTwits and alternative data services track public sentiment and social media trends to identify market movements early. Real-time alerts. Many apps provide notifications about price changes, breaking news, and earning reports, helping you act quickly when opportunities arise. Why it works. AI and data analytics provide a deeper understanding of market trends and help you make data-driven decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing profits. 3. Diversifying with technology-driven access. Diversification is crucial for reducing risk, and technology has made it easier to access a wide range of investment options. Key tools. Fractional investing. Apps like Robinhood and Public allow you to invest in high-priced stocks and ETFs with as little as $1. This opens doors to diversify even with a small budget. Crowdfunding platforms. Sites like Fundrise and CrowdStreet give you access to real estate investments without needing millions of dollars. Similarly, platforms like Seed Invest let you invest in startups with low minimums. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken provide secure access to digital assets, letting you diversify into crypto easily. Why it works. These tools allow you to spread your investments across various assets, minimizing risks and maximizing long-term growth potential. 4. Using budgeting and tracking apps to optimize finances. Wealth building starts with managing your money effectively. Budgeting and tracking tools ensure you're making the most of your income and investments. Key tools. Personal finance apps. Mint and YNAB, you need a budget. Help you track spending, set goals, and allocate funds toward investments. Net worth trackers. Apps like Personal Capital provide a holistic view of your assets and liabilities, helping you monitor progress toward your financial goals. Tax optimization. Tools like TurboTax and H&R Block identify tax-saving opportunities, ensuring you keep more of your investment gains. Why it works. By understanding where your money is going and optimizing your budget, you can free up more funds for investing and wealth building. 5. Embracing education and knowledge platforms. Continuous learning is essential for any successful investor, and technology puts a world of resources at your fingertips. Key platforms. Investment courses. Websites like Udemy and Coursera offer affordable courses on investing, financial planning, and wealth management. Financial news apps. Apps like Bloomberg, CNBC, and Morningstar keep you updated on market trends, economic news, and expert analysis. Community forums. Platforms like Reddit's R Investing and financial groups on Discord allow you to learn from experienced investors and discuss strategies. Why it works. Knowledge is power. Staying informed ensures you can adapt to market changes and seize new opportunities. 6. Staying secure, protecting your investments online. As technology advances, so do security threats. Protecting your investments is just as important as growing them. Key strategies: two-factor authentication, 2FA. Always enable 2FA for your investment accounts to add an extra layer of security. Password managers. Use tools like LastPass or Dashlane to create and store strong, unique passwords. Beware of scams. Stay vigilant against phishing emails, fake apps, and suspicious investment opportunities. Why it works. A secure foundation ensures your hard-earned money is safe from cyber threats, allowing you to focus on growing your wealth. 7. Exploring future trends, the next big opportunities. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of technological trends can give you a competitive edge. Emerging technologies to watch. Blockchain technology. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain has applications in real estate, supply chain, and more, creating new investment opportunities. AI-driven portfolios. Advanced algorithms that adapt dynamically to market conditions will become even more sophisticated. Green investments. Technology is driving growth in renewable energy and sustainable companies, making them lucrative options for investors. Why it works. Positioning yourself early in emerging sectors can yield significant returns as these technologies grow. The integration of technology into investing has opened a world of possibilities, making it easier than ever to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. From automation and AI insights to diversification and security, the tools at your disposal can help you make smarter decisions, save time, and achieve your financial goals faster. The journey to financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but with the right tools and strategies, you can take control of your investments and build lasting wealth. It's time to embrace the power of technology and put it to work for you.